Hello mga ka-trending, welcome back to ZK Trend. Donnie Pangilinan nagsalita na nga sa mga kumakalat na issue. Dinipensahan kagad si Belle. Nagsalita na nga si Donnie Pangilinan tungkol nga sa mga issue na kumakalat ngayon, lalo na nga sa video nila ni Shubi kumakalat online. Sa X nga ay nagpahayag nga ng saloobin si Donnie Pangilinan patungkol nga sa naturang issue. Ayon nga dito sa kanya, "Hey guys, I'm out of the country right now on a short break, but I've been seeing a lot online. I don't usually speak up, but I think it's about time we stop spreading hate and constantly comparing people. There are far more important things happening in our country. I feel like we've gotten too comfortable throwing hate online without thinking about how that affects actual human beings who have done nothing wrong. This is for all fandoms. Artists have lives too. It's gone below the belt. Why did we reach this point?" Dagdag pa ni Donnie. "And to those who think I just enjoy the clout and people getting bashed, you clearly don't know me. Feel free to leave. There is no space for that here. I never was about that. I told Shubi the videos were going around out of shock, as I went to dinner at first thinking it was just going to be intimate and private. People forget we are all friends in this industry. Why do we keep pitting people against each other?" At dinipensahan din ni Donnie Pangilinan si Belle Mariano. At ayon nga dito sa kanyang post, "And as for Belle, please keep her out of your narratives. She is beautiful, talented, and most importantly, has a great heart. Nothing you say or do will change that. That's all from me. Hope everyone's doing okay despite how horrible our situation is right now in the country. Thank you to those who continue to spread love and have a blessed Holy Week."